Today we're going to install this Polaris rear cargo lock and ride box on this 2018 Polaris Sportsman XP. The part number for this particular box is 288282. The price for this box complete with shipping and everything included was $197.99, and we purchased it from Rocky Mountain ATV online. The price, as you'll look, even included all the parts to install and even the drill bit. Let's get started. The box on this 2018 Polaris XP Sportsman 1000 will not fit, we don't think, with just these two rear lockdowns on it. So we're going to take these two off, attempt to leave the two side ones on, and see if the box will fit that way. So this rear cargo box comes with your 4 lock and ride pins, your instructions, and your drill bit, as we said before. The only other tool you're really going to need for this is a 13mm socket wrench. We're going to be using a gear wrench for tightening up the bolts just a little bit on this anchor kit. They come wrapped in plastic with instructions and really simple to do. Before you get started, get ready to drill your holes, you identify the machine, take a look at which holes underneath you're going to use to drill them out. This is the 18 XP. You'll see an XP hole and an A hole. This box is for, the same box goes for the Polaris SP 570s and for the Polaris XP 1000s. So we're going to drill the 4 holes marked with XP. Simple as that. Again, using the drill bit that came with the kit, we're going to drill the marked holes. All 4 XP holes. Simple, you're really just drilling plastic, not too complicated. And on our last one, so we have our 4 lock and ride anchor kit pins here. Basically all you do is take off the nut at the end, all the pieces on the end except for, you'll see there's a plastic washer and the lockdown piece. Put it through the hole. You tighten it on. You do this with all 4. We used the 13mm wrench just to snug it up a bit because it's still kind of wobbling around just so it doesn't lock off. But basically we're going to do this on all 4 of them, and then we'll show you how to mount it. So now we have the 4 anchor piece kit put in on our Polaris rear cargo box. We're going to take our 13mm wrench, snug them up just a bit, not too tight, because then what will happen is you'll make these rubber pieces expand out, and then you won't be able to fit them in the holes of your piece on your machine. So we snug them up just a little bit, so we can still make sure we can move it fairly easy from the other side. So we're going to snug these 4 up and then show you how it mounts. So earlier when we first looked at the machine, we had our 4 tie-down pieces on 2 on the back and 2 on each side. We were hoping to only take the backs off. Box still wouldn't fit. We took all 4 off. We've since now installed the anchor kit system, snugged it up just a bit, not too much, and then basically the holes are perfectly lined up. As you'll see, you just push it down on there, give it a little nudge, come on and take a look in the inside. We line this up simply, just these go right down in the holes already on your machine. You have this piece that even fits your hand comfortably. You simply push them down, all 4 of them. We'll shut the box, and as you'll see, it looks nice, fits absolutely perfect. It does seem much more secure than you would think. We haven't used it on the trails yet, so we'll let you know. Another nice thing is you can't take this off unless you get some sort of crazy crowbar or something, but you can lock these. So they should be waterproof, look to be pretty rugged, sleek, and you can lock them. So that's really nice. You can see we have this one on the 2018 Polaris Sportsman 1000 XP. The same box happened to go for our other quad, which is a 2017 Polaris Sportsman 570 SP. So we'll show some future videos with how all our gadgets are working as the summer goes on.